Nice. And the style of theatre?
Mime. Horror.
Mime.
Yeah, my dad, Mime. Film that one.
And a title of a film and a genre. Any title, anything.
The Angry Moose.
The Angry Moose. And what type of genre is it?
Comedy.
Angry Moose.
I'd see it.
Has anyone got objects that let you borrow? Just anything you've got on you,
Anything in you right now that I could borrow. Why am I doing that while I'm saying?
There's a line. Okay, so this one's called Audition. So these three are auditioning for, one's auditioning for Unicorn Ain't My Dad, one's doing some product placement for an advert, and one's auditioning for The Angry Moose, the comedy. And we're just going to audition them. See how they do. Hello, number one, come in. Name?
John.
John, do you have a CV, John?
A what?
A CV.
Yeah, I did my CFE when I was young.
Ah, funny. Experience in mime.
Well, I haven't really got much experience in mime.
Okay.
I did a herpes commercial where I just kind of held it up at the end and went like that.
Did you have herpes?
No, it's just that.
Oh, I see. No
What do you
herpes. That's okay, we come up with it. So, you know you're going for the Unicorn Ain't My Dad, the mime show.
It's mime.
Yes, mime. I say mime. It's my thick accent.
So, unicorn.
Unicorn Ain't My Dad, do it in mime, go. With feeling. Alright, don't take the piss, do it properly. And Unicorn just about to eat your dad.
Yeah, I was just building up to it.
Oh, okay. Oh, well, that was very good.
Yeah? Was it?
No, that was bad. Okay, can we do this one more time? But I want you to be the unicorn.
Me too.
Be a unicorn. Be a unicorn. Be a unicorn. I want to see the unicorn.
I am a unicorn and I'm horny,
Okay, be a unicorn, go on. Whoa, where's your horn? There we go. Dad. No talking, mine. I like the impaling, it felt good.
I felt that too.
Yeah, I thought you might.
So, have I got the part?
You still get recalled for Unicorn Part 2.
Okay, thank you.
We're splitting it in two.
Thank you very much for your time.
Don't touch me. Leave. Number 2.
Hi.
Hello, name,
Francesca.
occupation.
I'm an actress.
Really? Hobbies?
Oh, sorry, showing you my profile. I like gold digging.
Okay, literally gold digging or like for husbands? Oh, digging for gold. Are you rich?
No.
No, I didn't think so. So, as the product we have placed in is this.
Okay.
You know what this is? You know what this is? No, it's a purse.
Can I have some more chocolate? I'm so dry.
Oh, I know you're dry. So. Oh my God. So this is the product. This is the audition.
It's a purse.
Yes, it's the purse. This is the audition. You come into the room, you see the purse, you go, oh, nice purse. And then you look at the camera with purse. Yes? What are you doing? What are you doing with your face? Why are you nipping at me? You want the purse? You want the purse? You can't have the purse. Come into the room, find the purse, play the purse, show the audience the purse, and show how much you love the purse. You want drugs or something? So come into the room. The purse isn't with you, the purse is in the room. Oh my God, what are you doing? Oh my God, is that a door? What are you opening?
You say come into the room, it's
Yeah.
It's an automatic one, I don't know.
Why don't you know? Why haven't you studied this? Why haven't you studied this? Better. It's not a dead baby. What are you doing? Why are you kissing? Why would they want to kiss it? Do you kiss your purse? Do you? No, goodbye. Last.
Hi, Ewan Wilson. Good to meet you.
It's good to meet you.
I'm
Okay.
I'm so happy to be here.
Yes, I'm so happy for you to be here. Yes. So, tell me about yourself.
Well, my name's Ewan Wilson, as I just said.
Yes, you did. You say again.
I'll say it again.
No.
Well, I play the saxophone.
What play? Or do you just play?
Well, actually, I just play.
Okay.
Just for myself. Sometimes my cat.
Oh, you have a cat. What is his name?
My cat. What does that
Yeah,
have to do?
just tell me.
Bubbles.
Are you close to the door looking at him? Are you close to Bubbles the cat?
Yeah, I mean, I play saxophone to her, so I
So
think...
if something was to happen to Bubbles?
What do you mean?
Nothing. Okay.
What are you pointing about Bubbles?
Just
Why have you got a picture of Bubbles?
Oh, so many questions. So, you was going for the Angry Goose, a comedy.
Yes,
I
yes.
am very funny. I know what comedy is. So,
You know, sometimes I tell jokes to Bubbles.
okay, tell me a joke. Funny.
Right now,
Well, you say you're a comedian. Make me laugh.
why did the hand
Why does he hand?
cross the road
Why does he hand? I don't know. Why does he hand cross the road?
to...
Oh, you can't even tell jokes.
No, to get to the second-hand shop. See?
I die inside. Right. Okay, so the Angry Moose is a comedy.
Yeah.
You know what the plot is? Yeah, tell me the plot. You've learned the plot. You've seen the timid moose, haven't you? And you've seen the shy moose, and you've seen the emotional moose. So,
Yeah. The Angry Moose is the comedy part of the horror series.
it's the irony because it's Angry Moose, but it's fun.
Yes. And so like the Scream movie, you know, have you seen the Scream movies?
No.
well, the first 3 were scary, but the 4th one was funny.
Oh, what is it?
So
I
I
didn't
guess
have that in my country.
what laughter? Or angry mooses?
Keep going. Just keep digging.
Keep
Now tell a joke then. You keep digging, you dig a hole in coverage because you're digging yourself shit.
Do you want me to actually...
No, I don't want you to dig a shit hole, you shitty. Right, the angry moose. We got to audition, right?
Yeah.
Why are you laughing?
I'm not. Because it's funny.
Would you not laugh?
But it's a comedy.
I'm going to say this only once. I know what comedy is, I know what funny is. This is not funny. Okay, you're going to be a moose, you're going to tell a joke as a moose. If they don't laugh, then Bubbles dies. And just so you know, I'm not being joking. They better laugh. It better be funny.
Can I just get this straight? Because this is a lot of pressure.
Yeah, you choose actor, you choose.
Do I tell the same joke that I just
No,
told?
Sam, that wasn't funny, was it? Unless you want Bubbles to die. I don't come near Bubbles. Go.
Literally be the moose or figuratively?
Be the moose and tell a joke to the audience. Where's the mooses? Mooses? Mooses?
Yeah.
No, it's not looking good for Bubbles.
What did the wave
Yes.
say to the beach?
I don't know. What does the wave say to the beach? Doesn't sound like a good punchline.
Nothing. It just waved.
Oh, no. See, I think they laughed at the pity. Bang!